is Ohiopyle State Park on January 27th, 2015. A few days after a snowstorm dumped 30 inches of snow, as much as 42 inches of snow in West Virginia. The bathrooms are closed, so I'm going to sneak behind the tree. January 27th, 2016, a few days after a record-setting blizzard, about 30 inches of snow were at Ohiopyle. Just leave you with a few minutes and just the Ciccone River. About 5 o'clock. The sun's gonna go down in about half an hour. I didn't get here until a little after 4, so I'll probably be out in the dark.